Just woke up, feeling kind of hungry. Let's see if we can find something to eat. Let's get it. Oh, let's see what we got. Ooh, chicken and rice with some churro, pickled vegetables, some chow mein. I ain't gonna eat that. What's this? Oh, some leftover blood cockles. We're gonna touch that for sure. Alright. First, we're gonna put this motherfucker in the microwave. Just minute that thing, alright? Now we're gonna make the sauce for the blood cockles. We got the chili garlic. Ooh, that's too much. It's too much. We got some sugar. Too lazy to cut up fresh lime, so I'm using bottled lime juice. And it goes. That should be enough. This is puffs. We got the 3 crab fish sauce. Now, get to mixing. Quit picking your dick skin. Give it a little taste. More sugar. Definitely more lime. Mix it up again. Don't forget to pick your dick skin. Mucho delicioso. Very good. Bang ready. Ooh, look at that. Smoking. All right, let's get it. Got the Cambodian chicken on deck, son. Give it some sauce. Hot. Smack. Got some rice. Some rice right here. If y'all never tried Cambodian food, you guys gotta try. Ain't nothing like Cambodian food. A lot of flavor happening. Dip it in the sauce. You don't even need the sauce. Should smack already. Tons of flavor. Papaya salad. Incredible. If y'all looking to eat some papaya salad, go to your local Thai, Laos, Cambodian market. They have it all day. And if they don't, I got some recipes for you. Also, I'd like to thank you guys. Thank you guys for your support, for watching my videos, subscribing, liking. I appreciate it. Been dropping videos almost every day for the past year and a half. And to be at 1,000 subscribers, it's a blessing. So continue to like and subscribe, watch my videos, share it. Also leave a comment or something. Recommend me to eat something, cook something. It'd be nice too. We got the blood cockles next. Look at that. Good seafood. Dip with the sauce. Drip. Ooh. Smack. Drink the juice. Aphrodisiac. Just kidding. These are called blood cockles. Blood cockles. Look at that. Ooh. Noodles for your poodles. I don't normally eat with my hands, but shit's already dirty. Fuck it. Yeah, I'm opening this for y'all. Get it inside. Soup. Sip it up. Dip it up. I'm gonna eat it up, slurp it up. Comment below. Tell me your guys' favorite food. What country is it from? And how can I get my hands on it? In the Pacific time zone. Located in California. We have almost everything here, so I'm pretty sure I can get my hands on it. More chicken. Red thing. It's crack cocaine right here. Crack cocaine. More blood cockles. Papaya salad. Yeah, I really need to try some Asian food, man. Expand your palates a little bit. We have the best shit out. People say we eat dogs and shit. We do. Just kidding. Stereotype. Nah, I really don't. I eat that shit. I eat that shit any day. If it's cooked right. Y'all motherfuckers eat nastier shit than us, man. I don't play. For sure, y'all eat nastier shit than us. Y'all be eating ass and shit. And that shit give you pink eye. Y'all still eat it. I said, hey, is it only, bro? That's where shit come from. So don't tell me dogs are nasty. I don't eat dogs. I eat the cats. Meow meow. More cockles, like a brothel. Speaking of brothels, Jimmy G's getting them free things all day. Shout out Jimmy G's for coming to the Raiders. But that's like a downgrade. Not even a downgrade. It's like Car 2.0, but with more injuries. Y'all agree? I don't really like that move. I was hoping towards Aaron Rodgers, of course, my favorite quarterback in the league, or Matthew Stafford. Lamar Jackson would have been nice, but that boy wants an arm, legs, dick. He wants too much. Ain't nobody finna give him that guarantee. Feel me? More chicones. Smack. Tastes like mama's cooking. This is how you eat chicken, bro. Y'all be leaving hella meat. I hate motherfuckers who eat like that. Hella meat left on the bone. What's wrong with y'all? Cheers. Papaya salad. Papaya salad go crazy. Made by yours truly. Y'all gonna invite me to come over and cook for y'all? It'll cost you a fifth of Patron. That's my charging price. You know what I mean? Lightweight sweating. Ooh. It's windy like Cindy out here too. I'm in the valley right now. Shit blowing roof sound, blowing kids over. We saw a 2-year-old fly out my window the other day and landed right in this carriage. It's like mini Superman flying out that window. Kind of regret cutting that fresh lime. Cause that lime out the bottle tastes like shit. Tastes like caca. Fucked up my whole sauce. Comment down below, guys. Let me know what y'all want me to eat next. Cause I'm all in it to win it, you heard? This little retarded part, that's my favorite. the retarded hand from Scary Movie 2. Take my hand.
Yeah. Oh, take my hand. Ah, come on.
That's what it looks like. Man, amazing. I'm not even used to talking to the camera like that. Fire. Smack shit, y'all. I'm done. There's nothing left but cherry tomatoes. Done here, y'all. Next time we eat booty. So like and subscribe. Hit that bell. It'll really help my channel a lot, y'all. Thank y'all. Check out. You heard?